What is up, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. In today's video, we got a ton of stuff on our agenda today. First things first, we have to go ahead and where is it? Right there. Install this little RYZEN 9 3950X into the Asus motherboard with a deep cooled castle, and then put all the rest of the PC parts back in because we got to reassemble this build right here that I dismantled. I don't know if I'm going to upload that video first or second, but we took apart that PC, had a 9900K and a 2080 Ti. Obviously, we're keeping the 2080 Ti as of right now, and we're gonna swap out the chipset and the motherboard processor for an AMD system instead of Intel because we like new things. Why not, right? So we have the RYZEN 9 3950X right here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this in just a bit. First, we're gonna take the cooler out of the box because we're gonna put these Corsair RGB fans on this cooler here so that we can use it, you know, with the rest of the Corsair fans in this build. Yeah, we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna put the processor in the motherboard along with the PCIe 4.0 SSD NVMe Sabrent Rocket. I think these are like 160 bucks, 150 bucks on Amazon right now. So I'll leave a link in the description in case it is still available. But either way, I'm gonna leave it linked in the description below because I think that these are one of the fastest, least expensive SSDs that you can get as of right now. So these are probably the best deal. Hopefully they last a really long time. We're gonna check it out, see what we think, do some read and write speed tests, and compare them to the benchmarks that I did with the PCIe 3.0 Samsung M.2 that we used in the 9900K build. Probably gonna leave that, maybe swap it over at some point, but yeah, that's what we gonna do. We gonna install all this stuff. We've got our Windows disk on this little flash drive right here, so we're gonna leave that over there. And yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing this stuff, put those fans on, and get to building. But before we go ahead and continue with the rest of the video, I want to ask you guys to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Obviously, you guys are helping out fund this whole project. So if you enjoy the video and want to see some benchmarks in the future from this build, drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. So just to give you guys a quick rundown of the parts real quick, we got the RYZEN 9 3950X, obviously 16 core, 32 thread part. Gonna be cooling that with the Castle 240EX from Deepcool, 64 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z running at 3600 megahertz, as well as the Sabrent Rocket PCIe 4.0 and NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti, all sitting on the Asus Republic Gamers ROG Strix X570E gaming motherboard. So for all that stuff, we're gonna need 1000 watts to power this baby, and of course, we can't forget about the RGB. So Corsair is coming in clutch, even though we paid for it.
Choose your fighter. Slightly inspired. Fight.
Alright, so this factory thermal paste, we're gonna get rid of this because we got our own. So nice and squeaky clean. Look at that. Heck yeah. So I know the onboard camera audio is not the best, but we've got everything done in terms of the cooler. It's on a little thing that's gonna hold it at the top of the case. So yeah, finally, this is all done. All right, boys, so we got the castle in there with the RGB fans and whatnot. So that is all done. We're just gonna have to make sure that we connect it to the right LED hubs and fan hubs and whatnot. But yeah, now it is time to unbox the motherboard and processor over here. Okay, motherboard here. Let's go ahead and put this baby out. Oh wow, that was dramatic. I've not gotten a chance to use my knife yet. This is like so anticlimactic. I think it looks pretty freaking cool, man. Like, you got this huge fan right here. Probably gonna make a ton of noise in the future, but who knows? I don't know. Maybe that was just Linus talking. Little sticker right there. We gotta remove these. So we're gonna put the stand-ups there for the cooler. The plastic piece, let's go ahead and rip that off. I thought these had plastic on it. Oh my god. Like, they look like kind of shiny and reflective, but they aren't. I mean, they are. It's just a little plastic piece above them, but it's not like a pull. So before we install the processor, let's go ahead and pull out this old AMD standoff like we were using a regular slide-on cooler, because we are not. Speaking of which, did we mention that the Ryzen 9 3950X has 16 cores and 32 threads with some high clock speeds? I can't remember. Let me look at the box. Let's see here. 3.5 gigahertz base, 4.7 gigahertz max boost clock. Please recycle. Oh crap, I was not expecting this. Hold on, we're gonna have to get this SSD some time to shine. Look at this this cool like little copper case that they gave me, because like usually in these tiny little SSD boxes, it's like a little piece of plastic in there holding it together, and that's that. But yeah, they stepped their game up. Holy crap. Well, in comparison to the competition, I've never ordered a product from them before, so this is a first. This is cool. I mess with this a lot. Talk about like unboxing experience. I mean, for a little SSD, I mean, dang, this thing is cool. Holy crap. Okay, I see y'all stepping up the game. So go ahead and take this thing out the box. Zen 2 architecture AM4 socket. Whoa, holy crap. It just popped right out. I didn't know it was like up here at the top, but I mean, dang. Like, this box got freaking beat. Who knew like how much beating like a box could take? Like, what was going on? Let's see if they give us any stickers or anything. I know there's a ton of foam in here. They don't give you a cooler. We suggest that you water cool it. Get your own solution. Make sure we don't bend any pins. All right, that was easy. Go ahead and install the RAM too. All right, so we got the processor inside. Okay, hold on. So much glare. I want you to see it. See the name, Ryzen. There we go, Ryzen 9 3950X. There it is. Inside the motherboard, really beefy PCB. I'm sure there's RGB inside here too. The Trident Z Royal. Oh yeah, it looks so clean in the silver color. I like the silver color like way more than the gold color personally. I just think the silver like reflects way better without making it look kind of ugly. Like the gold is just kind of too much. The silver I feel like is like just the right amount of I don't know, gaudiness or something for a PC, if a PC can be kind of gaudy. NVMe SSD is already installed. Fan right here for the motherboard. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like it. It's heavy too. That's the other thing. I mean, I guess if you really want a heavy motherboard. All right, guys, so we are gonna drop this into here and get this all going so I can start figuring out where I want to put these cables. And let's see if this thing posts. Why is the DRAM light on? Well, it turns on with a slight hiccup. Let's see, a bunch of lights are coming on. Oh, we got a green light. Does that mean it's gonna start? Let's go, let's go, let's go. The 3950X is alive. The BIOS is here. All 64 gigs of memory are showing 3500 megahertz on the DDR4. It's 3600, so that's good. 16 core, blah, 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 speed. Now we're just gonna use a keyboard for this. So let's go ahead. We're gonna set this baby up, install some Windows, get the rest of the setup ready to go. And yeah, boys, we did it. This thing is alive. This thing is alive. I'll be back when we get Windows on this baby. So we are all done with the PC build now. Windows is installed and I'm about to get this thing set back up, clean up my mess, because building PCs is always so much fun. And yeah, I'm glad that this is over. Obviously, when you add filming into it, it like adds like another level of stress. Make sure you get a certain shot, blah, blah. It just adds like a whole like few more hours to the process that it already takes to build a PC. Like usually, if you're doing it kind of fast, not filming, I can do it in about hour, maybe hour and 20 minutes. Add filming into the equation, I don't know, triple that. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Enjoy the B-roll right after this. Join the Discord so you guys can possibly win a free Model O. Join it, join the giveaway. And yeah, what else needs to be said? Drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. We've been growing like crazy. Thank you. Keep growing. Tell your friends. Tell your mom. All right, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Look how freaking sweet this thing looks. Oh my God. I gotta wipe it down again because like fingerprints. But dude, this thing looks so sick.